ஒரு மகிழ்ச்சியான செய்தி. இதயம் நலனையின் விலை லிட்டருக்கு ரூபாய் 105 குறைஞ்சிருக்கு. செப்டம்பர் 2023ல 1 லிட்டர் இதயம் நலனையின் அதிகபட்ச விலை ரூபாய் 503. ஆனா இப்ப 1 லிட்டர் இதயம் நலனையின் விலை ரூபாய் 398 மட்டும்தான் தமிழ்நாட்டுல. அப்ப இனிமே எல்லாரும் இதயம் நலனை வாங்கலாம் இல்ல?
Today I am feeling myself blessed being the part of this festival of Kamba's Ramayan, which has been organized by South Jain Cultural Center Tanjavur here. In this pious city, in the closet of Sri Ranganath Temple, which is one of the binding factor of our country, the Ramayana in different formats. Maybe it is written by Valmiki in Sanskrit or Tulsidas ji into Hindi, or it is written by the great literature writer and a poet Kambar in Tamil. The essence of Ramayana and Lord Rama connects all of us, and it works as a uniting factor of our beloved country, India. Despite many diversities, geographical diversities, cultural diversities, diversities of attire, cuisine, there are many binding factors, uniting factors which make us one. The Ramayana is one of them. I feel myself blessed to have darshan of this historic temple, the temple with a great energy, which is there for thousands of years, blessing all of us, not only in our country, but also people across the boundaries. Thank you very much, all of us, all of you, for being here and becoming the witness of this program. Thank you.
Sir, can you tell me about your ministry?
Yes, please.
What is ongoing project to develop the...
There are two ministries which I have been assigned for, the Ministry of Culture and Ministry of Tourism. As far as Ministry of Tourism is concerned, the potential of tourism in India is continuously growing because of the initiatives taken by Honorable Prime Minister in last 10 years or 11 years journey to bring out the poor people out of the poverty line. And because of the initiatives, efforts which were realized over the ground, it is estimated that 30 crore people have come out of the poverty line. And this segment which has now become this aspirational class, which has now become the middle class, that middle class is infusing great inertia and energy into tourism sector of India. Apart from that, the way Indian economy is growing and people of India are having more dispensable income into their pockets, the tourism potential of domestic tourism in India is ever growing. Apart from that, the way India has emerged and as a shining star in the global economic spectrum, and with the speed and scale that India has developed in last 10 years under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, the perspective to look towards our country all across the world has changed. Now people again wish to come back to India, see the Indian growth story, witness the Indian legacy and India's diverse culture and heritage. So India as on date is the country which has the most potential as far as domestic tourism is concerned, and simultaneously international tourists or inbound tourism is concerned. Government of India under the leadership of Honorable Modi ji is supporting, extending support and handholding the state governments through different schemes and various initiatives to develop tourism amenities as far as and tourism products to attract more and more tourists in our country and to create tourism more memorable to create better experience for the tourists visiting and different tourist places in our country with the different schemes like Swadesh Darshan, Prasad scheme or the Sheshki scheme. There are various schemes which are going on to develop tourism and to handle state government's tourism efforts by the government of India.
Do you have
Which
any
state is
special
number
scheme for
one
Tamil
in
Nadu?
tourism revenue?
See, as far as tourism revenue is concerned, since the India states are geographically, they have different identities. Some of the states are very small states, some of the states are larger states. But there are few states, I should not mention a name of one state, but there are states which the tourism is contributing highest in their state GDP. Is state like Goa, state like Himachal Pradesh, state like Uttarakhand, state like Sikkim in northeast, state like Arunachal Pradesh, where the contribution of tourism sector is very, very high in compared to other states. Recently, we have witnessed the Kumbh festival in Uttar Pradesh, and the way it has infused lakhs of crore rupees into the economy of Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh again has become the part of this long list where the contribution of tourism is very high in our country.
Do we have any special scheme for Tamil Nadu?
Tamil Nadu is also doing very well in spiritual tourism is concerned. But still, Tamil Nadu looking towards the potential of Tamil Nadu in tourism sector, much more has to be done yet.
The Tamil Nadu government organized opposition party CM meeting for a delimitation of the constitution.
I think that is the greatest lie which anyone can speak. As Honorable Home Minister, while he was here in Tamil Nadu in last visit, he has clarified that it is just to diverse the attention of the people, of Tamil Nadu from the issues which are pertaining to the life and development of Tamil Nadu. He is practicing all these things. He just to diversify the attention of the people from the failure of the present government and the corruption of the present government's leader and the son of Tamil Nadu's chief minister. They just want to diversify the issue with these type of with creating these type of issue or giving flares to these type of issues. Thank you very much.